In October 2017, astronomers detected something unprecedented, an interstellar object passing through our solar system. They named it Oumuamua, which in Hawaiian means messenger or scout. Since then, it has been the subject of intense scientific debate and speculation. Its trajectory, its elongated shape, and inexplicable behaviors made it one of the greatest enigmas of modern astronomy. Now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have the first real image of this interstellar traveler. Oumuamua looked like nothing we'd ever seen before because, unlike comets, it had no visible tail and no signs of outgassing. And, unlike asteroids, its acceleration away from the sun couldn't be explained by gravity or known forces. Since its discovery hypotheses have been put forward, ranging from fragments of hydrogen ice to the possibility that it is a spacecraft designed by an advanced civilization. But no answer had been conclusive until now. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Telescope is designed to solve the deepest mysteries of the universe. Its ability to observe the infrared spectrum allows it to capture details impossible for other telescopes. When Webb turned its gaze toward Oumuamua, now much farther from our solar system, it captured something incredible: the first real image of this mysterious interstellar object. The image from Webb has confirmed what could only be speculated before. Oumuamua has an elongated and asymmetrical shape, with a surface marked by grooves and craters, indicators of billions of years traveling through interstellar space. But what is most surprising is the composition of its surface: complex organic compounds and elements not commonly found in our solar system. This, of course, suggests that Oumuamua originated in a cosmic environment very different from our own. One of the biggest enigmas of Oumuamua has been its anomalous acceleration as it leaves our solar system. Webb's observations have ruled out outgassing, but have raised new possibilities. One intriguing theory is that the acceleration could be caused by an exotic mechanism, such as a light sail, a hypothetical technology that uses the pressure of light to move through space. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope's ability to analyze the light reflected by Oumuamua, scientists have managed to unravel the composition of its surface. The data reveal a mix of metallic and mineral compounds, unknown in the solar system, along with traces of elements that could form organic molecules. Among the most fascinating findings is the presence of a highly reflective material that could explain its unusual brightness, as well as compounds that suggest that Oumuamua may have formed in a young, dynamic star system. These discoveries offer key clues about the processes occurring in regions of the universe where matter is organized in completely different ways than in our cosmic neighborhood. One of the most recent theories suggests that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet, destroyed by extreme gravitational forces. These forces, caused by a massive star or a nearby black hole, could have stretched and torn the planet apart, forming objects with unusual shapes. If this theory is correct, Oumuamua would be a survivor of a catastrophic event, carrying with it the history of a lost world. This opens up a new window to study how a star system evolves and changes over time, and how catastrophic events can give rise to objects that end up traveling through the galaxy. The organic compounds found on Oumuamua's surface have led to speculations about its role as a carrier of the building blocks of life in a universe full of possibilities. Could Oumuamua be a natural vehicle for distributing these molecules to other star systems? This phenomenon, known as interstellar panspermia, raises the possibility that objects like Oumuamua play a key role in spreading the ingredients necessary for life across the cosmos. Not only does this redefine our understanding of the universe, but it also makes us wonder whether our own existence could be linked to similar events in Earth's past. Oumuamua is more than an interstellar object. It is a time capsule that carries with it stories of cosmic events that occurred billions of years ago. Its study not only teaches us about its origin, but also about how star systems interact and evolve in the galaxy. In addition, the analysis of Oumuamua lays the groundwork for future missions designed to intercept and study these interstellar travelers, offering a new perspective on galactic dynamics. This discovery is a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered, and Oumuamua is just the beginning. It has not only challenged our scientific theories, but also our perception of our place in the universe. Its arrival reminds us that we are a small part of a vast and immense cosmos, where events like these occur continuously, even far beyond our sight. If this object has an artificial origin, it could be the first indirect contact with an extraterrestrial intelligence, a possibility that would transform our understanding of life and intelligence in the universe. Oumuamua has, of course, inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers to think beyond our own solar system. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which seeks to develop probes at relativistic speeds, are just the beginning of an era of interstellar exploration. Exploration. These future missions could not only intercept objects like Oumuamua, but also explore their characteristics in detail, helping us understand and answer questions that are still unsolved. With each discovery, we move toward a future where humanity could not only observe the universe but also interact with it in ways that we can now only imagine. Oumuamua, the interstellar messenger, is much more than an object that passed through our solar system. It is an open door to a universe full of possibilities and mysteries. These discoveries have transformed astronomy, inspiring questions about our origins, our place in the cosmos, and our future. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we have taken another step forward in understanding what it means to be part of such a vast and complex universe. Oumuamua is a reminder that, although we are small, our curiosity and desire to explore make us great. The universe invites us to dream, and Oumuamua is just the beginning of it. What other secrets await us out there? Only time and our tireless pursuit of knowledge will tell us. Now, leave us your thoughts in the comments box. What do you think Oumuamua is really telling us? If you want to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. The discovery of Oumuamua has not only opened a new chapter in observational astronomy, but has also challenged long-held assumptions about the boundaries of our solar system. Traditionally, astronomers believed that the space between stars, interstellar space, was too vast and hostile to allow for frequent passage of solid objects. Oumuamua changed that perspective forever. Since its passage, scientists have intensified efforts to detect similar objects. In fact, new initiatives, such as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time, LSST, aim to identify fast-moving interstellar objects as they enter the solar system, giving humanity a chance to study them up close or even intercept them with spacecraft. With this growing capability, Oumuamua may be remembered not just as a mystery, but as the first of many such messengers from beyond. The implications extend far beyond astronomy. The chemical compounds detected on Oumuamua's surface suggest that life's essential ingredients, organic molecules, can form in a variety of cosmic environments. This supports one of the most profound ideas in science, that life may not be unique to Earth. If objects like Oumuamua travel between star systems carrying complex molecules, the seeds of life might be sown far and wide across the galaxy. Some researchers even speculate about technosignatures, indications of advanced technology, that might be detectable in future interstellar visitors. If an object shows characteristics inconsistent with natural formation, such as precise geometric shapes, consistent non-gravitational propulsion, or unusual materials, it could trigger a new era in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Yet, for all its scientific value, Oumuamua also touches something deeper, our imagination. It reminds us of how little we truly know about the universe and how each discovery, no matter how strange, pushes the boundary of what we consider possible. In response to this mystery, several space agencies and private organizations have begun planning missions that could one day catch up with or intercept interstellar objects. Projects like the proposed Project Lyra, developed by the Initiative for Interstellar Studies, are exploring the use of solar sails or high-velocity propulsion to chase Oumuamua or its successors into deep space. These missions could allow us to analyze the composition of such objects directly, perhaps even retrieve samples. A sample return mission to an interstellar object would represent one of the most ambitious endeavors in human history, giving us physical evidence from another star system and potentially rewriting everything we know about the formation of planets, stars, and even life. Moreover, Oumuamua's legacy may influence how we design future telescopes. Instruments optimized for tracking high-speed transient objects could become standard in the coming decades. These upgrades would not only help us detect interstellar visitors more effectively, but also enhance our planetary defense capabilities. In many ways, Oumuamua is a cosmic invitation, an opportunity for humanity to look beyond its own celestial backyard and embrace the reality that we are part of a much larger, dynamic, and interconnected universe. This is not just a rock or a spacecraft. It's a symbol of exploration, of mystery, and of the endless questions that still await us among the stars.